Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be sewing cutting the Bubu I posted how to cut it, and I'll tell you it's a very simple Bubu to sew. In 5 minutes you are finished sewing it. There is no stress. So I'm going to be showing you how you could sew it and how you can actually cut it also. So in this video already, I've already folded. I'm using this material. So I've already folded it into four. I folded it into four like so. This is one, two, three, and four. I folded into four, and this particular material is by 60. Just ignore the background sound, there is noise outside. So this particular material is by 60. So I folded into four. I'm using 2.5 yard material, a 2.5 yard material. So already I've as you can see, the sleeve is just a 3/4 sleeve. So all the length from here to the hand there is 22 inches. It's supposed to be 21, but I added 1 inch for allowance, or in case the clothes is not equal, so I can easily have some to trim away. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just going to come here. I've already marked the neckline. You know, it has a turtleneck. So I already measured 2.5 here, 2.5 for the width here, and coming down here I measured 1 inch for the back and 3 inches for the front, because I'm cutting the back and front together. So I'm using 1 inch for the back and 3 inches for the front. So moving on to this other side, I'm going to be using the sleeve opening. So I'm going to be coming down by 12 inches. The round sleeve is 6, so I'm doing 12 inches so that I can actually fold pleat it inside the tiny band that I'll be doing. So that will give me 6. I'll actually ruffle it back inside here, so that will give me 6, like so. So after I mark that, I actually marked 12 here. This is 12 inches here. I marked 12 inches here. So from here I actually came back here. So from this point I went down by 16 inches. I measured the waistline, which is 16 inches. That's the half length. And also added from here, I added 10 inches. That's for the hip line. That gave me 26 inches. And I just came down by 4 inches. That gave, so from the upper part to the down part, I measured, let's say I measured 30. So that's where I'll start my shaping from. So that's where I started my shaping from. I measured 30 here. Just measure 30 here. Measure your half length 16, plus it by 10, and come down by 4 inches. That gave me 30. So I'm going to be moving down to the down part of the clothes. So this is the down part of the dress. So I told you that all I have here is 22. So I'm going to be reducing it so that I can give me that flowing shape that I need. So I'm going to be using 19 inches for the down part. So I marked 19 inches for the down part. So that's 19 inches I marked. So right from this point here, I'm going to be shaping it all the way down to the 19 inches. I'm going to be shaping it down to 19 inches. So I shaped it, followed the same line. I followed the same line. And when I just got to the down part, I just slant it inside the 19 inches. So I'm going to be cutting from that down part. Pardon me if you can't see it very well. Just follow what I said and just cut from what I have said so far. If you can't see everything, I know you can see a little. Just follow it. And if you have any questions, you can drop it down in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I'm just trying to trim off the excess here. So I'm just going to notch the sleeve side. I'm just going to notch it. so I can know where my sleeve opening is. So I just notched it like so. I just notched it there. So I'm gonna come back to my neckline here and just I'm gonna cut the back first. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it so I can easily cut my back, my front rather. I'm sorry. So there's a difference between the front and the back. So for this particular dress, I can't really sew in the machine is inside and it is very dark. So I'll just show you how you would sew it. And when I finish, I'll just come and show you on the mannequin. So for this back, you don't need to turn it since it's going to be an alter neck. So all you just have to do is sew the shoulder by half an inch. Sew the shoulder by half an inch. Take a small strip that is straight. Make it the your round sleeve measurement and just split in your sleeve into the opening. And for the sides, just measure it half inch down. Just measure half inch all the way down. Don't forget the notch. So you're going to sew from this point all the way down. Then you hem the down part. After you hem the down part, just cut a strip like this. This kind of strip you need for the sleeve. So you just like pleat it inside it. All the band will not pass this. So you just sew it inside it. Sew the two sides and cut a strip for the neck also. So there will be a rope at the neck. It will just go back to the neck. And that's all. Your boo is ready. In case you have any questions, just drop it down in the comment section down below. I'll be there in the comment section to answer all your questions. Thank So guys, I decided to show you the process how I made the sleeve part, the part that I said you will tuck in into a small band. So this is how I do it. I'm already pleating. This is the band that I cut. So I'm already pleating it into the band. I already cut the band in my round sleeve measurement. Yeah, so I'm already pleating it into the band. So everything will plated into the band. So whatever I have in the band is whatever the pleats that will be inside. So just do it a little by little, just take your time and make sure you're doing the right thing. So after that is done, so I later came back and I'm gonna like sew that part together so it will form a round shape so I can easily use it to turn the rest and cover my sewing. So I'm just joining it together. Don't forget to leave allowance. Like I measured 6, I made it 7 inches in case of allowance. So can you see that? So I'm gonna be folding it in to cover all the rough edges. Just look at the way I'm doing it. So my machine is gonna go on top of that, like so. So I'm trying to cover the rough edges. Can you see how the front is looking like? So I'm covering like that, then I would top stitch right at the tip. So this is how I covered my sleeve part, fitted the excess into it. Can you see how it's looking? This is the front part. Can you see how it's looking? So I decided to show you because that might be the hardest part. So I guess you understand. So you just need to just join the shoulders, the sides, and put the rope at the altar neck. Join the altar neck, and we are all done. Can you see the alternate? So I'm gonna whip all those edges. I'm gonna whip it. So and we are done. So now you're gonna see how it looks on the mannequin. See it now. See this beauty. See how it looks right on the mannequin. See the drip. See the drip. This mannequin is not showing. It's not showing as it's not giving me the right vibes I want. But at least just try it out and let me see your recreation. You can send it to me via my email. You can send it. Let me see what it looks like. Hope you like it. Thank you.